I think that shame is one of the most difficult emotions that you can have, that you can feel, that you can experience, because shame is a state of total dysregulation. Dysregulation, that sounds kind of bossy. It's an interesting word, isn't it? Regulation, rules. But dysregulated means shame hurts. Shame hurts you, it hurts the other. How you got shame hurt. How you pass shame on hurts. My name is Carolyn Cowan and I am an embodied trauma therapist. I've written a book called The Path Out of Hell, and we are exploring shame. So when I say that shame is a state of total dysregulation, what does that mean? So shame is a very visceral emotion. Your viscera are all of your internal organs. The word visceral is a very old word. When you eat liver, kidneys, that kind of thing, brain, stomach, that's eating the viscera of an animal. Generally, I think it's lambs or sheep, I don't know. But when an emotion is visceral, it means that it goes deeply inside all of your internal organs. And we have a tendency to think of our internal organs as being mainly liver, stomach, intestines, that kind of thing. But actually your internal organs are also your eyes, your ears, your tongue, and oddly, your throat. Now, I'm speaking in quite a calm, level tone, but if I was triggered, and obviously there's a trigger warning here, I might speak much faster and I might move my hands and I might move my eyes and my eyes would be scanning the room and I will really stress you out because I will be viscerally triggered. That's just the simplicity actually of being stressed. So we're looking at emotion by degree in a way. We can be stressed. We can be a little bit irritable. We could be irascible, which is kind of angry along with stressed. We could be really wound up. We could be totally overwhelmed. We could be feeling shame, and we could be in a really deep shame trigger. So we can experience emotion by degree. What's interesting about being dysregulated and shame as a dysregulating emotion is let's imagine that you woke up, one of us, it can be me, woke up this morning, first thing one of us, me, might have done is looked at our phone. I get really triggered by seeing dead whales or dead giraffes or that kind of thing. And I might be triggered. So my phone immediately upset me. My phone did that because I opened my phone, I licked my phone with my finger and my phone triggered me. Now, I didn't like that. I felt horrible. I felt, oh, that was really horrible. Okay, so, I put my phone down. I don't want my phone. Oh, no. So then I go downstairs. I don't know what your life's like. My life is, I have dogs, the doorbell goes, the dogs bark. You might get triggered again. And then maybe it's a paper from the tax office. And then you can see 1, 2, 3 triggers. And the paper from the tax office could trigger really severe dysregulation because quite a lot of people have very deep financial shame. So you've gone from waking up, maybe you had a really nice sleep, maybe you woke up and you stretched like a little kitten,